In this video, I'll show you how to buy crypto coins on Phantom Wallet step by step. First, open the Phantom Wallet app and unlock it. At the top, make sure you're on the Solana network, because most people use Phantom mainly for Solana-based tokens. To buy any coin, you'll first need SOL for both the purchase and the network fees. If you don't have SOL yet, tap Deposit or Add Funds and either buy SOL with card through a provider or copy your SOL address and send SOL from an exchange like Binance or OKX. Once your SOL arrives, you're ready to buy other coins. On the main screen, tap the Swap button. In the From field, select SOL. In the To field, tap Search and type the name of the coin you want, or paste its contract address if it's a newer token or meme coin. Make sure you're picking the correct token from a trusted source. When to enter how much SOL you want to swap, then tap Review Order. Check the price, estimated amount you'll receive, and fees. And if everything looks good, tap Confirm/Swap. After a few seconds, go back to your main wallet screen and you'll see your new crypto coin balance listed under your tokens. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.